Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad you're here today. So I have some frames that I was not using. I have them in like a little box, and some that I used before, but I just don't have the pictures in them now. And I thought maybe I could find some things to put into the different frames. My mom was always really big on making wall arrangements, and sometimes if you just mix and match different frames and different things, you can make a really pretty whole wall arrangement for not that much. So let me show you what I did. So this frame it's called a floating display frame. And I don't know if you can see, but both sides of this, it's like a plastic, and but you can fit quite a bit in here, so you can make this really 3D. And because you can see through both sides, I did it with lace and then just some flower stickers. This is not glued or anything, it's just put in because the plastic kind of holds everything in place. So you can take it out, add things, you can add notes. So this is kind of fun, and it comes with two little stands so it can stand on a desk. It doesn't have anything to hang from it, but I put like a little nail in the wall and then rested on that, and that seems to work pretty good. And if you're interested in these frames, they come in all different shapes and sizes and colors. Well, I think mostly black and white, but different shapes. And it's on my Amazon storefront if you want to look at those. So here's another one I did, and it's just a piece of scrap lace I had with some transparent stickers. And again, it's not glued, I'll show you. So you just press down to open them. And everything in here, you can just pull it out. You can glue it if you wanted to, but I figured this way you can change it. And that's all it is. And like I said, though, it does fit quite a bit, so you can layer your designs and do different things with it. They're just they're fun. And you could add a piece of cardstock or a color behind it so it is not transparent, see-through, if you don't want it to do that. But sometimes I do a piece of cardstock and then add messages or notes on the back for a gift. So I'll put those here. This frame is from the dollar store. It is glass. This piece here is just a 4x4, and I'll show you. So this is the little template that comes with it for a 4x4. This is just a piece of cardstock from a DCWV paper pack, and I added a little flower sticker that I made, and you just slide it in, and you have a floating picture frame, and it's really cute, and you could just change this up or add whatever you want. But so let's just put this back in. Okay, so I want to make a different one in there. This is just a plastic frame I had. It's missing the back, so it's missing one of these little prongs as well. This is just a card from the DCWV, one of the paper packs, the little cutout cards. And I did have to trim it just a little bit to fit, but put it in. And you could certainly hang this right on the wall, and it looks really pretty, so I thought that was nice. This is just a tag I had left over from a paper pack that I was working with, so I cut it to the size of the frame and put it in here, and it looks really pretty. And then this, same thing. This is actually washi tape, different color, well, they're all pink, but different design of washi tape. And I had made a tag with it, but I cut it out, and all I do is just trim it to the size of whatever the back is. And so that's also pretty. This I made a long time ago, but I found this in my frame box. So this is a pretty round frame, and what I did is this is a napkin, and I decoupaged it onto the base of this frame. And then I did, I guess I pulled off the stand so I could hang it, but so that's something else you could do, just decoupage or different things and frame them. And so I just kind of wanted to share that with you, so because I was having quite a bit of fun. So I don't know if you have old frames laying around, or you at the dollar store or wherever they're on sale, and if you have extra pieces of fabrics or tags or different things, look how pretty, you can just make all kinds of things with it. So anyway, just thought I would share with you. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.